Okay, welcome to Mac Technology Hangzhou Co. Limited. We are a professional company for daily beauty cosmetic tools. This is our main product, the facial Jade roller. And first we can introduce the material. The material for this one is the coarse Jade. For this one is the rose coarse Jade. And for this one is 100% natural Jade. And the handle for this is the zinc alloy. And the massage area we can use for neck, face, eyes, and forehead. And the function is to slim your face, to reduce wrinkles around your eyes, to smooth your skin, and to promote blood circulation. And how to use? Let me to show you. For the cheek, we from the bottom to the top, like this. From the mouth is from here, like this. And from the forehead, we can from the middle to the outside, like this. And the eyebrows also the same, from the middle to the outside. And our packaging is too different. And this one only Jade roller. And for this one, this is Jade roller, and this squasher with the box is very nice. Also, we have packaging like this. The PP bag is cheaper. And also we have the smaller one. This is the bigger one, and this is the smaller one. You see? Different. And the head, this is two. This is big and this is small. And this is the only one head. Like this.